Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the power button actions in this device. So in every device, just tap and hold on the power button. You can see this is for the voice assistance. So let me show you how to change the power button action in this device. Simply go to settings, then scroll down, tap on additional settings. Then here you can see the option power button. Tap on this one, then tap on the option. Press and hold the power button. Tap on this one. Then you can see two functions you can see here. Then power menu and the Google voice assistant. If you press and hold the power button, if you want the power menu, then you need to select this one. When you press and hold the power button, if you want the voice assistant function, then you need to select this one. So here I am going to select the option power menu. Now again I am going to press and hold the power button. Now you can see the power menu, you can see here. From here you can easily restart power off your device. So simply in this way we can change the power button actions in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.